A massive wave of BJP supporters flooded the streets of Bishalgarh on Saturday as the party organized a protest rally to condemn what they termed a malicious conspiracy against local BJP MLA Sushanta Deb. The BJP Mandal leadership alleged that a weak circle has been active on social media, spreading fake news and derogatory propaganda against the MLA Sushanta Deb. According to party workers, these efforts are specifically designed to stall ongoing developmental projects in the constituency, tarnish the reputation of Bishalgarh through misinformation, mislead the public regarding the MLA's administrative work. The protest, which began at the Bishalgarh BJP Mandal office and culminated at the office Tila Kalibari field, saw leaders issuing a direct warning to the Congress and CPIM. Workers accused the opposition parties of fueling the digital smear campaign to regain lost political ground. Local police maintained tight security as the procession moved through the main thoroughfares of the town. Report was driven from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.